I said GoPro start recording and I said GoPro start recording and I'm not going to say it this time. But I said, you know, GoPro, do your thing. It turned on. So I'm sneaking off with a mistress for a little romantic getaway. I'm not telling you where I'm going, but this episode is brought to you by Dixon. And that might tell you where it's, you know, this is the Dixon I'm wearing. It's this right here. You watching Blue Bike Doors channel. Run an intro. Fun fact for you, know that thing I was just holding up, it's a sticker. So if you didn't know that and you've been throwing these away, shame on you. Well, you probably throw that away because that's just the back of the sticker. The sticker's on the wall. So like I said, you got two bikes. Well, I only got one rain gear, but I don't think I'm gonna take it because why not? It's not gonna rain. Famous last words. Two, only got one tool bag. Tool, T-O-O-L bag. I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna pray I don't have a flat because I'm not gonna take I ain't got that air pump thing probably dead. I ain't checked it. That's a shame on me. Should do that before you take off. Like I said, I'm sneaking off, so oh, and don't forget your stickers. Going to a place where you might need to sticker them. And I might need my bigger gloves too. Yeah. At least I don't know which one I'm gonna run. It's 34 degrees, if you didn't know. So let me, I still got a mess to clean up. I got a bumper I had made for somebody else, and I never finished it because they never finished. Anyway, I was going to give it to somebody, and I'm not now because I'm going to put it on hers. The Vams is coming along nicely. I got one done. Well, I got this far done. This is going to be the style this year. And yeah, let me do my thing here, and we'll see you on the road. I'm sneaking off to head to the resort with my mistress. Headed to the resort with the mistress. Woo! I ain't wearing my sunglasses. And yeah. So, welcome back to the Blue Bike Doors channel. My legs are already cold because it is. How cold is it? It is 34 degrees. And I'm headed to where it's colder than it is here. But it's supposed to warm up today. That be the coldest here. And then start. English is not my first language. This is Thursday. My plan was that I need to close that vent up here on the top of my head. I think I did. I don't know if I closed it or opened it. Still feel the air going through it. They close it up. I don't remember. We'll figure that out in a minute. That's a damn. Anyway, the plan, yeah, today's Thursday the 19th of March, and my mind ain't engaged because I only got like 5 hours sleep last night. That was what I was going to tell you. Any other time I would have had a Thursday load, and yeah. And I was going to plan on getting back in Thursday, getting up early Friday morning. I mean, if I did get back you know, I don't know what my load was going to be. If it would have worked out and I was better to get back, I was going to leave the house about 5 o'clock to head up to where I'm going to meet up with the Blak ICE. There might be Blak ICE on the road. There is going to be Blak ICE on the road in Brent. And, or is it Brad? Is it Bradley? Brent? I don't remember. I do, but I'm just making fun. What else was I going to say? So, yeah, I was going to go meet them up there and just ride back with them, ride the road up there and all. And, whew, I don't know if I closed. I don't remember. I guess I was thinking about that. It's open. I think open is up. I'm sure it's getting a lot of wind, and maybe it's coming around my neck and going up. I don't know, but it's chilly. It's 37 degrees. It's warmed up, but it's gonna warm up to like 65, 70 today, maybe, if we're lucky. But it's all right. I got my long handles on, got my thick socks. I don't have my lowers on like Lucille. Lucille's got lowers and make my knees a little warmer. Hey, but I do got heated hand grips. Let's put them suckers on about 3. And, alright, I got a full tank of gas, my crayons are sharpened, my glue's topped off, and my helmet's on tight, so let's roll. But I stop. I gotta stop. We'll see you in a few. Uh-oh, oh shoot, gotta get behind the log truck. You know what that is? That's Final Destination. Well, I made it to my first fuel stop. How many miles I got on? I only put 4 gallons, 4.74, 4 3/4 gallons in it. I don't know how much. $45. I have to go look. Nobody pumped on it. But anyway, guess where I'm at? 185 miles. Huh. I did cut that on the right one, didn't I? Yeah, 178 miles from the house to here. Look at something. I forgot how much gas I got. $21.50. 4 got almost 5. I'm on photobomb right here. It's warmed up. Where you at? Don't do that. It's warmed up to 60 degrees. Feels pretty good. When I turn real sharp, I can't make the turns from my clutch and all. So we about 18 miles from Tail of the Dragon, the resort. Me and Mistress is staying at the resort. Oh man, the roads are a little rough. You know, you stop the gas and there's always that one old man that comes in there and goes, I used to have one of them back in my days. Well, it was a gold wing. He used to say, Chubby Chick. Chubby Chick. That's what the name of that restaurant was. A fast food joint, bus, whatever it was. Food truck. I think I don't know. I'll tell you in a minute. I wonder if the helicopter landed. Because when I'm on the way up here, ambulance passed me. Or going the opposite way. My fingers should work. Sitting at the Mike's Beard and Brews. He'll know where I'm at. pretty up here in the mountains. Just one of my favorite places to come. Well, I'm not gonna make, well, I probably will. When I left the house, I got 30 minutes. But it said arriving time 1:37. It is now 1 o'clock. And I've stopped twice. Yep, I stopped, got me what do you call them, fried apple pies. And I got some blackberry and I got peach to share. And for snacks tonight, and then I stopped there and get gas and some snacks and all, so I can have at the room, because I don't know if they're gonna want to get back out this evening, because it's 18 miles down here. Tail of the Dragon Wheels Cycle Shop. Alrighty. Alright, we'll see you when we get on up here to the mountains, you know. Get up here. I don't know if I'm gonna run the Dragon Tail. Depends if they up here or not yet. We'll see you in a minute. Said a minute, it's like a second. Well, actually, I think it's 0.2 of a second. I don't know. Whatever the little transition is. GoPro stop recording. It's working great today. Wind therapy. I seen a Lambo going up here when I was getting gas, when I was talking to that old man. Well, I didn't get gas, and I was sitting there in front of the store eating me a meat stick, and actually it was a red hot meat stick. It said no pork in it, so I guess it was all beef. Is that what was in it? The old truck said 01 on the side. Old Square Body Chevrolet 1 ton. Oh, look, the motorcycle. You can see him when he passed me. How you doing, buddy? There's a bunch of enduro riders up here. Or if they was at the gas station, they didn't talk to me because, you know, they don't socialize with us. I don't guess Ben's going to socialize with us. Well, I guess he can because he's a Harley. He's not, but he's going to be one of them adventure riders. Look at the mountains. Hot dog, this sucker. Don't want to turn right there. Pretty mountain ride, nobody behind me. I can sit here and talk and all like this, chill, something, whatever this dam is down here. Let's go across it. There ain't a dam. Well, the house is on the side of the hill up there. Animal control. All them cabins. Ted Jordan Bridge. I wonder who he is. Alright, I'm through talking now. I'm gonna ride my ride. GoPro stop recording. I'm back. I got more stuff to say. When you come up here this time of year, because yeah, only March 19th. When is spring break? Is spring break already sprung? But anyway, next month? Yo, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, 21st, it's the first day of spring. And all. Yep. So, yeah, but the trees ain't sprung yet. But what I was saying is you can see more when you come up here this time of year. You can see through the trees without the leaves on it. I'm gonna make like a tree and leaf. Look at the water. Can you see the water? That's the water down there. Yeah. I like running beside the river on the road. As you see the water down there. Pretty, ain't it? Oh, fishing, hiking. Oh, there's some more waterfalls. That goes was that a viper? I believe it was. Like the color. Had them white wrist straps on it. Anyway, back to the river. GoPro stop recording. There you go. You recording? Yeah. We almost up here, 1 more mile. Oh, look at the waterfall. I'm chasing waterfalls. Watch where I'm going. There's rocks and them curves. Just passed a bunch of Corvettes going the other way. One guy was happy. It slowed that whole group down so he could put his top down. Up. I thought that was Bigfoot. Y'all didn't see it. It was a tree stump. Big one, too. That's why I thought it was Bigfoot. Actually, I thought it was a bear. Well, then I thought it was Bigfoot. It'd be more Bigfoot than it would have been a bear. But anyway, bear with me. We'll be almost here. We get car sick. I ain't in the car. I know. I'm just making stuff up. I seen a groundhog a while ago run across the road. I couldn't get the camera. Wouldn't come on when it wanted it to. Away it goes. So I missed it. A little butt running across the road. You don't want to hit one of them. I hit an otter before with Daytona. Here we are. Back of the dragon. No, the tail of the dragon. Excuse me. Wrong store. Let's see if my buddy's here. I don't see nobody. Hello. Hey. We finally made it. They showed up right at the idea, but we've been doing tourist stuff. Nothing much. Sitting on the couch. Let me show you my room. I can't show you the room. We'll show you. I done messed up. Yep. Here's my room. Which light? I got lights. Stick that out. That's good. Here's the shitter, and it's got the dragon. Yep. Yep. I got bunk beds. I might sleep on the top tonight. So see if they're ready. All right, we back here in the room. So you can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button right there. Give me a thumbs up. We'll catch you later.